Good morning all. I am Minakshi Bansal from Vidya Bal Bhavan School. Today I am going to start new topic squares and square root, in which we will discuss about square root from long division method. Before going to start this topic, let's start the square of 1 square, that is equal to 1, 2 square, the value of 2 square is 4, 3 square, it is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square, it is 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81, 10 square, it is 100. Now come to the topic, that is we need to find square root by long division method. That is very important method. We know we can find the square root by 3 methods. First is continuous subtracting method, repeated subtraction method. Second one is repeated subtraction method. Second method is prime factorization method. And third method is long division method. In long division method, I am taking one example, that is 1024. For doing this, we need to make a pair 1024. We will start the making pair from right to left. This is 24 make a pair, 10 is also making a pair. If the number is left, like if we are taking one more example, that like 3, 4, 3. How many digits are here? 3 digit numbers. So we will do start from right to left, make a pair 4, 3 and 3 is left, we can put a 0. Because the number has no effect if we are putting 0 before the number. Okay, so let's start. This is 10 and here is 24. Let's count. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, which is greater than 10. We always read in square root as a squares only. Not we can't take 3 fours or 3 twos up. We can't. It should be in square format. So 3 square, we are taking 3 square here. So 3 threes are, that is 9. In division, we will do subtraction after that. Do the same thing. 10 minus 9, it is 1 and one pair should be copied. Here we will do addition. 3 plus 3, it makes 6. Now, it is your tens place. In ones place, what we should put it so that it should be completely divisible, or it is equal to 124, or it should be lesser than 124, but it should not be greater than 124. So 4 digit, 4 will come when you are doing 2 square, or you will get when you are doing 8 square, it has also come 4 as a ones digit place. So we are doing 6 twos are 2 into 2, that makes 4, 6 twos are 12. So it is, if we are putting 2, here we will get the same number 1, 2, 4. So here we will conclude that square root of 1024, that is equal to 32. We are doing one more example, that is 5, 7, 7, 6. We need to do the factorization, or we will do this by long division method. So again we are doing the same thing. Make a pair first. It is in this we will do. It is 5 square 25. It is lesser than. Then 7 square it is 49. 8 square 64, which is greater than 57. So we will select only 7 sevens are 49 here. Then do the subtraction part. 17 minus 9, it is 8, and one pair should be copied out. 7 plus 7, it makes 14. Now 14. Here is 6. What number? The square of the number which will give you 6 as a ones digit. One is 4 and other is 6. If you multiply 14 as a ones place is 4, this will be 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 4s are 16 and 17, 1, 4 4s are, that is 5, 7, 6, which is smaller than. So take 1, 4, 6 at a ones place, multiply the number, 6 6s are 36, 3, 6 4s are 24, plus 3, 27, 2, 6 2s are 8. So it is, put 4 here, so 146, I am sorry, this is 6, it will be, here also put 6, so it will be 0. The square root of 5, 7, 7, 6, that is equal to 76. Okay. We are taking one more example, one more question, that is 5-digit number. First step is make the pair. So one pair is 56, other one is 98, and one it is unpaired. So make it pair by putting a 0 in front of. So it is, check the number squares. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, which is also smaller, 3 square is 9. We will do 3 square here. So one pair is completely cancelled out. Now take one more pair, that is 98. The next step is add 3. It will give you 6. Now if I will put, this is 6, if I will put 2 here, 6 2s are, it will give you 4, 12, which is greater than 98. So we will put 1 here, 1 1s are 1, 6 1s are, that is 61. Subtract the number 7, 3. Now take one more pair, 37, 56. 3756. Now add 1 here, it makes 62. What number should we multiply so that we get 6 as a ones digit? So it might be 4, it might be 4 here, or it might be 6. So take first 6 2, 6 here. 6 6 are 36, 3, 6 2s are 12, 5, 1, 37. So it is completely divisible. We are putting here. So the square root of 9, 9, 8, 5, 6, that is equal to 3, 1, 6.